Hi there, welcome to Kapow Learning, sponsored by Kapow Learning. 7,463 rounded to the nearest 10. So what we need to do here is we need to find the 10. The 10 in this number, which you should know, is the 60. Okay, so the 60. So then we look at the number before. Which is the 3. Now remember, 1 to 4, round down to the floor. 5 to 9, round up to the sky. It's a 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to round down, okay? So if we round down, as I always said before, we're going to we're going to write out the number. But remember, we go 7, 4, 6. We keep the same, but the rest of the numbers round down. And I'm going to do it red because it's been rounded down. Okay, so there we go. So 7,463 rounded down to the nearest 10 is 7,460. The next number is 7,463 rounded to the nearest 100. Well, you should know that the 100 is the 4 here, the 400. So that is the number that might change or not. We look at the number before, which is the 6. Now remember, 1 to 4 round down to the floor, 5 to 9 round up to the sky. Well, what do? It is at 6. So we round up to the sky. We're going to go up to the sky, and that's why it's in blue. So here we go. So I'm going to get my pen here, round it up. So what is the next 100 after 400? Because we're rounding it up now. It is, you should have said, 7,500. Okay, so 7,500 there. And make sure that that is blue. Excellent. Okay, so now we go to the next one, which is 7,463 rounded to the nearest 1,000. Well, we should know that the 1,000 is the 7. Okay, so now that is the number we're looking at. But we also need to look at the number before. So it's a 4. Now remember, 1 to 4 round down to the floor, 5 to 9 round up to the sky. Well, it's a 4, so we're going to round down. So what we do, we're going to have the numbers 7,463. Now, when we round down, the 7 stays the same and the rest fall into zeros. And we're going to change that to red. Okay, so that is how you round. So 7,463 rounded to nearest 10 is 7,460. 7,463 rounded to nearest 100 is 7,500. And 7,463 rounded to nearest 1,000 is 7,000. That is how you round to nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. Boom, shakalaka, kakaka.